Hello guys, my name is Matthew, and in today's video we are going to rate my top of my favorite data analytics softwares. We will go through some pros and cons. I'll tell you more about these two products, why they are my favorite, and we're going to compare pricing plans and find out which one is the best among my top 5. So let's kick it away with Tableau. Tableau is an integrated business intelligence and visual analytics solution that helps users analyze the key business data and find solutions to different problems. The platform can be used to obtain data from multiple sources, such as spreadsheets, databases, SQL, and cloud apps, to generate meaningful insights. It helps users generate integrative maps and find necessary solutions to all their problems, whether they are analysts, students, teachers, executives, or business owners. From connection to collaboration, the platform provides a secure, powerful, and flexible end-to-end analytical approach, finding out AI-driven effective solution. Tableau is capable to scale companies engaged in different industries, including manufacturing, communication, healthcare, education, technology, and real estate. It is referred to as the world's deepest and broadest analytical platform, capable with Salesforce CRM. Other than English, it's available in different global languages like Spanish, German, Italian, Portuguese, and more. It's made for all kinds of companies, small, medium, and also large enterprises, providing 24/7 support. So it's all you can ask for. When we are going to check the pricing lists, you are going to be really surprised because it's not that expensive. For teams and organizations, you have Tableau Creator, Explorer, and Viewer. For individuals, it's the Creator bundle, which I strongly recommend. And I think it's a very, very reasonable price. The next on my list is Splunk. Splunk Enterprise is a machine data management software that can turn data into answers with intuitive machine learning powered analytics tool. This software can help users harness the untapped value of data to optimize their organization and deliver excellent customer service all the time. Splunk can ingest data from various sources and turn them into meaningful business outcomes. It also uses different visualized metrics to boost search and monitor performance for a better result. Powered by artificial intelligence, the software renders much attention to organizations' IT, security, and business arenas. Finally, when the software is connected, it allows everyone in the organization to see insights and get a quick glimpse of business anytime. With special machine learning and performance capabilities, Splunk Enterprise can deliver a better experience to customers. It can even assist the support and retail teams to have real-time visibility and understand their system and service statistics properly. Why Splunk is ranked 2 is because it's not made for small companies. You have to be at least medium to basically comprehend it all. Also, the support works online, so you can't basically call in with your needs, or if something is not working according to your expectations, you just have to get in touch with them online. There's only one pricing plan, which is Splunk Enterprise, and it's $150 a month. And it starts there. It doesn't mean that it ends there, but everything they're offering, it's very, very worth it. The next one is Talend. Talend unifies API and application integration, data integration and data quality, so your team can focus on delivering better, faster projects at a lower cost, instead of running down data. Talend's simple visual tools and wizards cover the complete development lifecycle, from design, testing and documentation to implementation and deployment. Talend streamlines complex JSON, Avro, XML and B2B integrations using advanced data mapping transformation tools and supports industry standards such as HL7 and EDI. Also, support works online. You can get the free trial, and also pricing wise, you have to contact sales to get basically the evaluation of your needs or what they can offer you. It's very easy to use, and I would say it's preferably for smaller organizations or smaller businesses. So, next one is Qlik View. As you can see, it's a powerful BI platform that provides its users with an analytics solution for developing highly interactive guided analytics applications and dashboards. These are designed to deliver insights to solve various business challenges. The software allows its users to move data at scale in real time without tasking source. The software allows users to move data in scale real time without tasking source systems and efficiently providing data to the cloud and beyond. Users can automate the processes from raw to analytics ready data by getting agility and scale, automating your data warehouse or data lake. One can eliminate complex scripting, build trust, and reduce errors. Qlik View allows its users to make data easily accessible with Enterprise Data Catalog by delivering trusted, governed access to all correct data with an easy way for users to find, prepare, and use actionable data. Users can explore without boundaries, as the associative engine indexes every relationship in the data of the users. The powerful AI offered by the software accelerates discoveries and raises data literacy, automates processes, and surfaces contextual insights. It's made for all kinds of businesses, and it provides very nice 24/7 live support. So that's what I really like. If you want to run it on mobile though, it's only covered by iOS, but you can install it on Windows and Mac as well. When we are talking about pricing plans, same as at Talend, it's custom. So first of all, you have to get in touch with them, and then they will offer you basically the tailored option just for you to decide if they are the one and if you can afford it. The last one is Microsoft Power BI. Microsoft Power BI is a data visualization platform that enables its users to create a data-driven culture equipped with business intelligence. The software helps its users to allow their employees at different organizational levels to use the up-to-the-minute analytics in order to make quick and confident decisions. Users can share and create interactive data, visuals throughout the data centers around the world, including the national clouds, to hence meet the regulation and compliance requirements of the organization. Power BI allows its users to apply sensitivity labels that are recognizable through Office 365 apps such as Excel, Word, Outlook, and PowerPoint. The software allows its users to use oversight of sensitive data through Microsoft Cloud App Security to ensure better compliance of regulatory and privacy requirements. Users can extend the governance and protection policies along with the exported data to the software with the help of Microsoft Information Protection. One can block risky user activities in real time to prevent the exposure of sensitive data. At this moment, you can check the pricing plans by Power BI Pro and Power BI Premium, which is per user, and the last one is per capacity. I think that average user is very much satisfied with the $9.99 per user a month pricing plan. If you are a bigger company, you have to go by capacity, which is $5K a month. But you are not taking into the point of view of individual or per user, but you can fit as much as you want in there. And that is actually the one that I would go with, because the fact that you can integrate Power BI from Microsoft with all the other products of Microsoft can save a lot of money and can save a lot of time. But I strongly recommend you to go and give a try to every single one of them through the free option, and then find out for yourself. If you have any kind of questions about these 3 products, please leave a comment underneath this video. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe if you want to, and see you in the next one. Have a great day.